Dear viewers, welcome to the latest update of violent Typhoon Dolphin from today, 02 to 3 August 2026 and the next few days. Subscribe to our channel for daily weather updates so you never miss the latest tropical cyclone information. Typhoon Dolphin continues to dominate weather headlines across the western North Pacific after strengthening into one of the most powerful tropical cyclones of the 2026 season. According to the latest meteorological assessments, Dolphin has reached violent typhoon intensity with an exceptionally well-organized eye and an extremely powerful wind field. Forecasters say the storm has undergone rapid intensification over very warm ocean waters and favorable atmospheric conditions, making it one of the strongest storms currently active anywhere in the world. Adding even more interest to the forecast, meteorologists are now closely monitoring another developing tropical system to the east of the Philippines. This disturbance is expected to strengthen into Tropical Storm Kujira, and there is growing concern that the two cyclones could begin interacting through the well-known Fujiwara effect. During this process, two nearby tropical cyclones may rotate around one another, altering their movement and making future track forecasts much more uncertain. While the exact outcome remains unclear, weather agencies across East Asia are keeping a close watch on this unusual setup. For Hong Kong, there is currently no immediate threat of destructive typhoon conditions. Forecast guidance suggests that Dolphin is likely to move toward the waters south of Japan over the next several days, rather than directly toward the Pearl River Delta. However, the Hong Kong Observatory emphasizes that the storm's longer-term path remains uncertain because of the possible interaction with the neighboring tropical cyclone. Residents are therefore encouraged to continue following official weather updates over the coming days. Even though Dolphin is expected to stay well away from Hong Kong in the short term, the city will continue to experience unsettled weather. Rain showers, squally thunderstorms, and periods of heavy rainfall are expected to affect the territory. Recent forecasts indicate that an active monsoon pattern and tropical moisture will keep weather conditions unstable, with occasional thunderstorms and locally heavy downpours. Marine conditions across the western Pacific remain extremely dangerous. Around the center of Typhoon Dolphin, hurricane-force winds are generating phenomenal waves and very rough seas. Mariners are advised to avoid the affected waters, while vessels across shipping routes in the western North Pacific should continue monitoring official marine bulletins. Large swells extending far from the storm's center may also affect coastal waters well away from the typhoon itself. Looking ahead through 3rd August and into the middle of next week, Dolphin is expected to gradually weaken as it moves northward over slightly cooler waters and encounters less favorable atmospheric conditions. However, despite this weakening trend, it is still forecast to remain a very intense typhoon, capable of producing destructive winds and dangerous seas over open waters. Any interaction with the developing neighboring storm could still modify its speed or direction, meaning forecast adjustments remain possible. If you are planning travel to Japan, Taiwan, the Ryukyu Islands, or other parts of the western North Pacific, keep checking with airlines, ferry operators, and local weather authorities for the latest advisories, as conditions can change quickly depending on the storm's evolution. Even areas far from the center may experience hazardous surf, strong rip currents, and occasional squally weather. That is the latest update on violent Typhoon Dolphin for 02 to 3 August 2026. We will continue to monitor every new forecast, including the possible Fujiwara interaction with the developing neighboring tropical cyclone and any changes that could affect Hong Kong or nearby regions. Stay safe, follow official weather warnings, and don't forget to subscribe for daily weather updates.